I made back-to-back recipe today. I have spicy garlic butter shrimp and creamy shrimp soup. Prepare ingredients. We have shrimp, cauliflower, and of course yung panggisa natin. Melt the butter. Then we start saute the garlic. Add onions. Halu-haluin natin hanggat sa mag-orange na siya ng kaunti. Add cayenne pepper, pampaanghang. Black pepper, garlic powder, and salt to taste. Halu-haluin lang po natin. And I'm also adding equal sugar pang contrast sa lasa. You could also add water para may kaunting sabaw siya. Let it simmer hanggang sa maluto na yung shrimp. And put it in the bowl. So spicy and so yummy. That will be our spicy garlic butter shrimp. Hope you like it. Super sarap. So next one is our creamy shrimp soup. Di ko na hinugasan yung pan. Put some butter. Add the garlic. Cauliflower. Then we add some water. Antayin natin kumuluto. Pag okay, we can add this Magnolia all-purpose cream. So that would be our creamy shrimp soup. Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.